This tool is a daily system that changed my life. It changed my life because it changed how I think and store ideas and thoughts and organizing my brain, my writing, and ultimately my life. Many problems are mental problems and we can solve them through writing. I changed it by writing daily in my weekly newsletters and putting all my thoughts into them because they're about the art of problem solving, and actually, which is ideally productivity, self-improvement, and business. Because our entire lives are problems and we solve many minor problems throughout life. In short, and one of the key messages I want to contribute over this video is writing in public using this tool changed my life, and I will also show you how. For example, it changed my routine for a simple fact that after I read every morning for around an hour in the Readwise Reader app, which some of you might know what it is, and everything I read, for example, this book here, and all the information and highlights will be sent from the app inside the library. And exactly this later on is benefiting my writing, as you can see here. For example, I write something, for example, one of my newsletters, and then I can just like see what I've read before, for example, the hour before, the couple of days before, and then I can copy or edit it into my writing. And this highlight feature here benefits my writing after I sip my first cup of coffee after the 90 minutes. And these 90 minutes, I mostly just read and take a cold shower. That's it. That's my entire morning routine. And it's exactly looking like that when I'm starting to write every single morning. It always looks like that. So yeah, it actually looks bigger. But on the side, we have the panel. Then we have the writing in the middle. And on the right side, we always have something where we benefit our writing. So on this part here, we have the highlight feature. This can also be on the other side. When we close that here, my challenge accountability planner, or it could also be another structure of the writing. So the writing process mostly needs some good structure before writing longer newsletters with 2,500 words. And then the structure benefits my writing during the process. So if you're interested in my weekly accountability template, which is this one, which I use every single day, I create a template out of it, which is this one, and you can download it for free in the link below. And after 1 hour of writing my newsletter, I write about my 90-day challenges, which are, for example, here, this is the first email, number 1 of 12 for the 90-day challenge. I will come up to this a bit later. And also this template, the accountability planner template is also included here, and also another template about Ikigai and the pillar. And yeah, and then mostly after all of this writing stuff, I do the tasks which are necessary to keep my business running, and that is mostly in this accountability planner. You can see right here. Then here down there is all the social posts I'm going to publish or consider publishing. And everything I write, whether it's newsletters, courses, social media, YouTube scripts, diaries, emotion or thoughts, is done first in this software and then will be constructed into other tools and softwares. Reading and writing are the primary things I need to do daily to keep my business up, stay mentally sharp, and not get insane from my millions of ideas and thoughts every single day. And honestly, as a conclusion, I was never a writer and I hated writing actually until I discovered Dan Koh's second brain software, which I'm just talking about the entire time here, which is Kortex. Once you give it a shot, understanding its system, which might take a while, but once you do understand the system, it will change how you think, how your business works, and how you encounter challenges in life. And that's also the primary reason I started the 90-day challenges, because the main goal of this challenge is to build a life of freedom, autonomy, and pursuing your passions without financial restrictions and waking up motivated and excited. And honestly, there's no bullshit in these 12 newsletters. It's just the pure value I gathered over 6 years of business, having my own startup, which it did not really fail, but in some ways it did fail. And all of the value I have from 6 years of business, making 300,000 a year with my startup, is inside of these free challenges. If you're interested, link is down below, and see you guys in my next video or in the challenge, hopefully.